I've got the new subscription release from Planything. Let's check them out. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I have the two new Planything subscription kits for the month of February. I'm super excited to share them with you. These are now available, so you're going to want to head to her website. I do have an affiliate link down below, and sign up if you're excited about these particular subscriptions. We have a washi tape one, a planner one, and we're going to dive in to them, check them out, and then do a plan with me. Let's do it. Okay, we're actually going to start with the washi tape subscription. Oh, no, don't tear. I always try to save her bags because they are adorable. Okay, washi tape. Oh my goodness, so stinking cute, you guys. The washi tape subscription has 6 different washi tapes. We have a beautiful floral, a beautiful purple scallop, yellow stripes, a brown grid, some bunnies, and some carrots. Let me open these up and swatch them out, but this is like all the spring vibes. I love it so much. Okay, let me swatch these out. Okay, here are all of the washi tapes swatched out. They are adorable. I am actually really in love with the floral one, which is a little bit unusual for me. I obviously love some of these basics just because I think they're such great additions. That's what I always say about Planything washi tape, and especially the washi tape subscription. For those of you that are wanting to build up your washi tape stash, it's a pretty good deal actually for 6 washi tapes delivered to your door. No, you don't get to pick them in advance, but they're always beautiful. Like, I've always been a fan of her washi tapes. Think she does a really great job, and it's a mixture of decorative and functional that you'll be able to use over and over and over again. So those are what are included in the washi tape subscription. I'm going to clean these up and then we will check out the planner subscription. Okay, let's check out the planner subscription. Ooh. Okay, the planner subscription this month is called Spring Days. You receive a sticker book, a full-on sticker book, 650 stickers, 20 sticker sheets. We'll look at this in just a moment. It comes with 3 washi tapes. Now, these washi tapes are not sold separately. Like, they're different from the washi tapes that were in the subscription, the washi tape subscription. So these are going to be exclusive to the Planything, the subscription, the planner subscription. Sorry, that was a little bit confusing, but I will unbox these, but you get those 3. Then guys, look at this pen. How beautiful. Love those with like the crystals in it. And I love that it's gold. It says Planything right here. Just a really pretty pen for the spring. This one makes me really happy. It's the sparkle. That is a lot of sparkle. Love that. And papers. So these are the Planything papers. She usually has a few of them in each subscription kit. You can use them in all different kinds of ways. This is like a soft, beautiful, I feel like this is a soft spring, like a welcome to spring. All the geese, look at the little baby animals. Those are sweet and beautiful. Loving them. All right, so you get 3 papers. You have the pen. Let's check out the washi. Let me undo these other 2 washis. Okay, here's a look at the 3 washis. You have this beautiful soft blue. Love this. This one is in orange, but it's like a peachy orange, not in your face. Again, I feel like this whole kit is like soft, beautiful spring. And then this, at first I thought, oh, it's a brown, but it's not. It's kind of like, I don't know, it has some red in it, a little bit of pink. It's again, I keep using the same word, but it's just a real subtle color change, not even all the way pastel, just soft is the word that keeps coming to mind. So beautiful washi tapes. They coordinate very nicely with the paper that we have. And then of course there is a beautiful sticker book. Let's check out the sticker book. next. Okay, 20 sticker sheets. It's always a mix of decorative and functional. So it starts out with these sweet farm animals. Look, they're like living their best life. Love the little girl and the little boy helping out on the farm. Oh, she might be a little girl too. It's hard to tell on there. Those are sweet. These are clear stickers. Then we go to little baby animals, rabbits, and little chicks. The eggs are sweet too. Those are adorable. Just fun. Loving the wildflowers. Best part about spring is all the flowers coming out. Then you have some functional boxes. And the colors will coordinate really nicely. Functional boxes, bullet points. So pretty. Love those. Yeah, that's gorgeous. That's really, really nice. Oh, I like these as well. Just really pretty florals. Love that. Oh, this. I love her houses. She just does the best job with all these gorgeous houses with all the pink everywhere. It's just really nice. And then some functional boxes. Beautiful. Ooh, alpha. That's kind of nice. That's a little bit different than what we've seen before. I feel like normally there's a bunch of quotes at the back, and the alpha is a nice addition. That is a sweet little book. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so that is Planything, the Spring Days subscription. Again, I love all the different, I think the washi tapes, you guys, I think this month, I think the washi tapes are my favorite. These washi tapes make me super happy, but I love the feel of this book. I feel like it's like sneaking into spring, not spring in your face, not spring with all the allergies, but like a beautiful spring day. I think it sets a tone, which is really nice. Like I said, the kit is available, or both kits are available now. You can find out all the pricing info and all of that on the Planything website. I do have an affiliate link in the description box of this video. Helps me out so much when you all are able to shop that link. All right, I am going to do a plan with me. Let's go. I am actually going to plan on the productivity layout. This is a layout that I have over in my shop that is wonderful for habit tracking and kind of compartmentalizing some different parts of your life. And I just loved all these really cute animals. I envisioned creating a planner spread where it would be like a day on the farm, a beautiful spring day on the farm. So we're going to actually start with this beautiful paper. I love a torn page. I think it looks really good. So I'm going to tear the paper to end up framing the whole spread. I'm aiming for each corner. And it almost looks like, it looks like grandma's wallpaper in a way, like beautiful wallpaper that would be on a country house. And it is shaped a little bit like curtains. I love the look of it. So we're using it to frame in the spread. I'm going to use some of the grid washi on several different sections of this. I love putting it here on the bottom because I think it adds a nice little touch. And then I'm going to repeat that on these boxes at the top. There's two different places where there's like a set of 7 boxes. You have the vertical set all the way over to the left, and then you have this smaller horizontal set over to the right, and then of course 3 built-in habit trackers. I'm going to add a little grid right there. I actually use the productivity layout on a regular basis for my social media, my work planner. It's how I plan all the different parts of my job onto one planner spread. And it's been working really well for me in 2026. I'm in love with my work planner. It just makes me super happy. So I got all the washi tape down, and now I'm going to go ahead and adhere the different scrapbook paper, and then I can start playing with some of the decorating. I love that Amber from Planything includes paper. Sometimes she includes vellum. She changes up what is in her planner subscription. You're always going to get a sticker book. You are always going to get washi tape. And then some of the other things change from month to month. And what that allows you to do is kind of play and try something new. Just experiment. You don't have to know exactly what to do with a certain type of product or a certain piece in your stash. You can just play with it and see what comes about. So adding in the paper directly to your planner spreads is a wonderful way to use the gorgeous coordinating paper. I've also seen a lot of people that like to punch the paper, disc punch the paper, and then go ahead and pop it into their planner, which would be another fun thing to do. All right, so I grabbed some of the wildflower stickers because I think that probably on my little pretend farm, there's wildflowers all over the place. So we have our girl with her little chicken, her little, I think that's a chicken. Yeah. Is that a rooster or chicken? Oh man. But she has her friend following her. The cow is enjoying the wildflowers. We're just going to have our animals kind of dispersed throughout. They're hanging out in a few different places, like the meadow. And then we're going to have some that are a little closer in. And then we'll have our other friend up to the top right. It's just a nice spacing of stickers, and this layout doesn't really require a ton of stickers because it's meant to be functional, but there's still lots of opportunity. So it's fun to decorate it just sparingly and still have plenty of room to write. And I get that question a ton when I share decorative planner spreads is, yeah, that's cute, but where do you write? Well, there's a ton of room to write all over this. Even with the animals in different places, what I do is I aim my stickers more towards the edges of boxes. So you can see like having them overlap in between two boxes. That way it's just taking up a little of each one, but you can still write a lot of things down in what's left of the white space in each box. Okay, I'm going to add the other little farm helper in the section at the top of the page, then a few more functional boxes where I'll be able to label the different sections as far as what I want to account for in each set of boxes across the spread. And once I get the last few pieces up here at the top, I want to make sure the decor is spread throughout, feeling nice and balanced in the spread. Once those are in place, that's going to be it. So I am so excited about this new subscription release from Planything. I think it's beautiful and I think you should check it out. Don't forget, I do have that link to Planything down in my description box below. So if you're interested, go grab up one of those spots before they sell out. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I want to give a huge shout out to my Patreon family. We're having a great time and we'd love for you to join us. If you want to find out more about Patreon and all the extra perks over there, you can head to patreon.com/ScrappyWife. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.